This is the Nintendo Switch 2. So last night, literally for the first time ever, I waited in line for a tech launch. I was outside of Best Buy and I only showed up like an hour before the launch was, and I got 11th place in line. So I guess that's perks of not living in a giant city. But this is just gonna kind of be like my first impression. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and then let's play our first game on it. So upon opening the box, right up top, you're gonna notice that we do have the Switch 2 unit itself along with those new magnetic Joy-Cons. And this Switch 2 is in fact bigger than we've had before. And we also have this new style of kickstand on the back. And both Joy-Cons that came with it are black with an accented color. So we have black with a blue accent and then black with a red accent. Then underneath we have this little compartment and we have a game code for Mario Kart World because I did get the Mario Kart World bundle, so this is a digital copy. And then we also get an included Nintendo branded HDMI cable along with these little strap attachments for the Joy-Cons, which I think might also help when you're using the Joy-Cons in like the new mouse pointer mode. Now digging further into the box, you're gonna notice we have some more accessories. So right here we have the grip for the new Joy-Cons to kind of turn it into a single controller. Then we also get an included Nintendo branded, again, a USB Type-C to C cable and a Nintendo branded USB-C power brick. And then last but not least, we have the dock so that you can actually play your Switch 2 on your TV. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get my Switch 2 set up for the first time, you know, connecting to Wi-Fi, doing the transfer from my old Switch, all that kind of stuff. But in the meantime, if you guys are planning on picking up a Switch 2, you may consider getting a case to protect your Switch 2. And so Dbrand was actually kind enough to sponsor this video. It's actually my first time ever working with Dbrand, so that's pretty cool. But inside this box is the Dbrand Kill Switch, which not only protects your Switch, but actually also adds ergonomics to it. So you can see that we have these Joy-Con grips that you can slide each of your Joy-Cons into to add more ergonomics. And then we have this back shell so that you can protect the back of your Switch. And what's nice is even with this back shell and these grips, you can still seamlessly connect your Joy-Cons magnetically. And what's even cooler is you can actually still use your Switch docked with this on because they include a dock adapter that literally just slides into your existing dock. And you can even get it with this hard shell front cover so you can protect your Switch even more when traveling. And as a bonus, it even holds your game cartridges. But anyways, if you guys want to check out the Dbrand Kill Switch for yourself, you can go ahead and see the link in the description. All right, now that we have the Switch 2 set up, this is our first look at the software. You know, I always like the Switch software because of how simple it is. Like you have your games up top and then you have your other options at the bottom. As you can see, I already have Mario Kart World downloaded along with actually Rocket League because I really want to see if this device could be like a reliable mobile Rocket League device because Rocket League is like my main game that I play. Now, before we actually dock the Switch and throw it up on the TV to get like a real match of Mario Kart going, let's just go ahead and try it in handheld mode real quick. We'll go with single player and I guess we'll do a Grand Prix, 150cc, and here we go. I will say, even though it is an LCD, the colors can really pop, which is nice. Here we go. Can we get the boost first try? Let's go. We got it. Let's pass everybody up. Got our first red shell. Let's take this guy out. Get wrecked, buddy. Let's see if we can get a little shortcut here. All right, all right. Look at that. Boom. Oh, how am I not in first place against the computer players? Come on. Oh, first place is getting a blue shell. I love to see it. We're about to take over. And first place, let's go. Now let's see if we can hold it and actually win our first match on this new Switch 2. What is Spike? Oh my gosh, there are spikes on the ground. Okay, all right. I'm gonna throw that bomb back there. Oh no, a blue shell. No, please. Alrighty, do we have enough of a lead to keep it up? We're rounding it out. Can we get the finish first place? As long as somebody doesn't throw a shell at me, and hey, there we go. All right, well now let's throw this thing in the dock and play some real Mario Kart. I got my brothers here, so let's try to destroy them. Okay, we now officially have the Switch 2 docked, and I have my two brothers over here that I'm about to destroy in Mario Kart World. All right, now I'm using the new Pro controller. I don't know if that would actually give me any advantage, but we're using it. And let's go ahead and launch Mario Kart World. I'm gonna be Yoshi per usual. Peach Beach it is, 150cc. All right, let's get that extra boost. Let's go. I just hit a banana. Who placed that? Somebody stole my mushroom. That was rude. Someone's gonna get hit with a boomerang now for that one. I must get first place. Lap 2 of 3, and I'm in 10th place, 9th place. Oh my gosh. Which one of you is in first? Me. Oh my gosh. I'm not even doing anything wrong. They better give me like a bullet bill or something. Oh no. Oh, they give me fire. How the heck am I in 10th place? I just got a golden shell? What the heck is that? Whoa. I literally got 9th. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Wait, no, none of us even got first. We got beat by first, second, and third by bots, and I got beat by everyone else, mostly. Okay, now I wanna see if Rocket League is playable on here, so I downloaded it. Let's check it out. All right, here we go. Actually, it seems to be running, at first glance, it seems to be running pretty decently. This is not bad. It's not like as good as my PC, but like, this is actually pretty solid. Oh no. Whoa. Save it. I think there's definitely more latency than I'm used to, but I think that's just true on all consoles for some reason. Okay, now last thing I want to try is handheld Rocket League on just like a single player and see how that runs. Because if this works, this could be my go-to handheld mobile Rocket League device. Uh-oh, we get scored off right off the bat. It's actually running pretty well. I think we could have something going on here. All right, here we go. Again, there's more like latency than I'm used to on PC. But it's running smoothly, which is nice. Oh, I forgot this is ones. I don't have a teammate. Can we score? Hey, there we go. Nice. All right, and now there is only one more thing I want to test here, and that is the Switch 2 camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and press the new C button and log in with my account, create chat, and there is my brother Skylar. Start chat. Okay, joining chat, yes. All right, Skylar, can you hear me? Check 1, 2.
I can hear you.
So it's using the mic from the Switch itself, even though I'm standing probably like, I don't know, 8 feet away. So how does it sound?
Sounds all right.
And we can also see that Skylar is streaming his game to me, and we're on the same internet, so I don't know if this is really a real test of how bad or good the lag would be, but I mean, it's good enough for just like, you know, visual purposes. It's not, you know, anything crazy good. But now I need to turn on my camera. So camera on. Let me get in the frame. Oh, look, there's me. Oh yeah, you can see me up there. Can you see me, Skylar?
I can see you.
Now, if I hold this camera up to my face, you can now see a little better that my brother Skylar can now see my face cut out with my game behind it. Let me know, is this a feature that you guys would actually use, or is this more of a gimmick? But anyways, that's gonna be it for my first impressions on the Nintendo Switch 2. Let me know what you guys think. Are you gonna pick one up? And thanks again to D-Brand for sponsoring this video. But thanks again for watching, and you guys have a great rest of your day.